Welcome to today's epic bass fishing moment. Watch as our skilled female angler takes center stage, expertly wielding her spinning rod to hook a massive bass in one powerful, precise cast. Notice the fluid movement and laser focus in every gesture, pure energy and passion on display. This isn't just a catch, it's a thrilling testament to skill and determination that inspires both beginners and seasoned anglers. Every second of this moment reveals the art of bass fishing at its best. If you're ready to elevate your fishing game, hit like, subscribe, and share your fishing stories in the comments below.